what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Glenny Rides. Woo, it is a hot one today. I think we're reaching 90 with humidity. It probably feels like 95 out here, but it's okay. It's all good. I'm gonna probably jump on the expressway every now and then just to cool off. What's up? It's just a little hot.
Thank you.
Here.
Thank you.
Yeah. Deuces. She was wearing so much leather. I bet that's hot. I'm all for riding safe and everything, but whew, I'll take my chances not wearing a full leather jacket. What year is that? Is that old school? Oh, he's getting it. Yo! What year?
87.
Man, it looks nice.
Yeah.
Here, that's for you.
Oh, appreciate it, bro.
Here, you can have both of them.
All right, good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Trying to take care of it, you know what I mean? You're rich.
I love it. 87? Holy crap, that bike's older than me. God, that thing looked brand new. I couldn't tell if it was like a newer style, like trying to look old, or if it really was like just an older bike. That car is smoking. Buddy, it's time to trade up. What's up, dude?
Oh, man.
What's going on? This looks pretty fun.
Awesome.
Yeah. Woo! It's hot. Yeah. That's right. Gotta keep moving. See, buddy. If somebody has a side cart and they pull up one wheel, is that considered a wheelie? What's up, buddy? I don't think you've seen it. Oh, he's jamming out. I won't give up on you, buddy. You want these? Yeah, put you in cruise control. Come on over here. It's okay. Yeah, there we go. See you, buddy. Woo! That dude pulled on the interstate from a rest stop. I'm curious to see where he's coming from and going to. But while I'm down here, I am going to get some gas and a Gatorade. Just south of northern Kentucky. We'll roll back to Florence. Hey. Here. Yeah. Like rain around here in Florence.
I don't know, man.
What happened to your foot?
Caught it like a curve like this back here. I
Yeah.
put my foot down while I was going up the ramp.
Oh no.
My plate just pushed right through it. Yeah, it was a year ago. I was in denial, and then I got the, I had the bone scraped.
Ah.
And, then I went home because they wouldn't cover a nursing home.
Yeah.
And I fell down the stairs and broke my foot and my toes.
Dang, man. That was a bad day.
Yeah, that was last week.
That's me, Glenny Rides.
Right on, man.
Well, I'm glad to see you're still able to ride.
I'm not giving up, bro.
Yeah, don't give up. I need some of them, man, up here. What's that?
That's my other ride. That's my, I'm on a non-weight bearing leg.
It's even got some chrome on it.
Oh yeah, man.
Glenn?
I figured that. I'm Christian.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
All right, buddy. Be safe.
You too, brother.
Yep. Last week, broke his foot. This week, he's out on the bike. That's a real American right there. I'd probably do the same if I had that kind of bike where I could just keep it straight like that. See you, buddy. Keep that rubber side down, you know. Keep that rubber side down. Oh, no, no, no. I am not going north. I can see the rain in the clouds. And I ain't getting wet today. Just a little dusting, it's okay. Yeah, it's not bad out here. It's just a little sprinkling. Man, it's still coming down. Come on, go and get. That's a pretty good rain right there. All right. We haven't had rain for a while. The road's got a lot of grime on it. When you add a little bit of water, it's just dangerous. I need to get one of them. Finally made it to some dry pavement. Hey, who is that? Here?
Thank you.
Yep. See it? Stop and get me a little cherry from old Dixie Cherry. I'll show you guys their little drive-through thing. It's pretty cool. Yeah, you see that little flap? That's the flap of goodness. That's what it's called. Thank you.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, they glow in the dark. Yeah, that's this year. Yeah, I like me some Dixie Chili. I'm always here. I'm gonna give you guys some more, okay?
Thank you.
Yep.
Have a good one.
You too, thank you. All right, got my food. Seemed like as soon as the rain hit, like all the bikers are just gone. Thank you for checking out this video. Happy Friday! Make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, because I'm gonna keep rolling.